In this video, we are going to discuss what are shortcodes and how you can use them on your WordPress website. Shortcodes are essentially shortcuts that allow you to perform complex or repetitive tasks in WordPress with minimal effort. They are small pieces of code enclosed in square brackets that you can insert into your WordPress content editor to execute specific functions. Shortcodes can be used to embed media, display forms, add dynamic content, or execute various other functionalities provided by plugins or themes. For example, a shortcode might allow you to embed a video player, display a contact form, or insert gallery of images into your WordPress pages or WordPress posts. So now I'm going to show you how you can find our shortcodes in your WordPress website. On the dashboard, you will see pages, hover over it and click on add new page. Let's give title. Now on this page, you will see this plus button, click on it and then search for classic. And then click on classic and now you will see this gray horizontal bar. Again click on it. Now you will see different icons. These four blue icons are coming from our WordPress plugin. If you are using the older version, then when you click on add new page, then you do not have to click on the plus icon and then search for classic. It will automatically show you this horizontal gray bar that will have these four blue icons. Let's first discuss the first option that we have here. Insert single listing from MLS data. If you wish to display only one listing using MLS numbers, then you will use this option. If I click here, you can see you can add your MLS number here. Let's add the MLS number, and let's say you do not want to show schools or price history. What you will do is you will uncheck this and then you will click on uncheck these two options and then you will click on insert listings. Let me show you how it will look on your website. That is how the first shortcode using MLS number will look on your website. No, please note down, you cannot add multiple MLS numbers in a single shortcode. If you want to show two listings using MLS number, then you will copy this, again paste it and change the MLS number here. Now this way you will be able to show two listings using MLS numbers. Now let's discuss the second shortcode that we have. It's called insert listing from MLS data. This shortcode has dozens of options to choose from. We will discuss the most used ones. So the first option we have here is result type, and we have these options available that you can choose from. Let's discuss the city first. Let's say you only want to cover a specific city. What you will do here is you will select city, and then from third option area name you will select your city. Let's say I want to cover almond. Uh, if you want to cover everything in the almond, then you will just leave these options empty. But if you want to narrow it down, maybe you only want to cover listings that are in between 200 to 600k, then you will add 200,000 and then you will add 600,000 here. Same case with other options. If you want to only show maybe listings that do not have more than 2 beds, then you will just add 2 here. And same case with baths, same case with days on market, air built. Maybe you do not want to show listings that are older than 2020, then you will just add 2020 here. Say same case with lot and home square foot range. Let's discuss status. Currently we have 4 options. It depends on what MLS you are with. There's a possibility that some MLS will only show active and pending, some will not show sold, some will not show conditional. It depends on the MLS. In this case we have all these 4 options available. Maybe you only want to show listings that are active in Almond City, then I will click active here. If you want pending and conditional, then you will checkbox these two options. Same case with property types. If you want to narrow it down to maybe like single family listings, then you will checkbox this option. Or maybe like you also want to cover multifamily, then you will also check box multifamily. If you do not checkbox any of this option, it will automatically show all the property types in the almond city. Same case with property features. Maybe you only want to show listings that have a pool, then you will checkbox this option. uh, Display order, you always want to show the newest listing first, but again it's up to you. We have different options available you can choose from. Let me first show you how it will look on the website. Let's click on insert listings. Let me remove these two. So as I selected Almond City, but it had no listings available, so I removed the Almond City and added Dallas. As you can see, we now have two listings available here. That's how it will look. Now let's discuss how you can change the layout. So I will select all the code, then I will click on this second option. At the bottom, we have these four options that you can choose from. Let's say you want to show listings in the center, then you will select center. If you want to show it on the right side, then you will select right. Note down, you will only uh, use this option if you are using list view. If you are using grid view, then it will not take effect. If I click on insert listing and then let me refresh that page. Now in the list view, you can see the alignment is on the right side. If I choose center, then it will be in the center. If I choose left, then it will be on this side. Let me again select all, click on the second option. So let's discuss the second option, shortcode result view. By default, it will usually take you to the grid option, but let's say you want to show list first. Then I will click list and then I will click on insert listing. Then when somebody lands on this page, it will automatically select list view first. But if you select grid view, then it will land whoever comes to your this page, they will land on the grid view layout. If they select list plus map, then that is how it will look. By default, we only show 5 listings in the shortcode. If you want to show more than 5, then you need to add a number here. So the maximum number of listings that you can show here is 50. You will add 50 and then you will click on insert listings. Show larger photos. Of course, everybody wants to show larger photos. Yeah, you can check boxes option. If you do not, you can uncheck this option. Now click on insert listings. So now let's discuss other options that we have in this shortcode. Same case with community, same case with county, same case with tract, same case with zip code. So you will depends on what kind of listings do you want to show, depends on what kind of filters do you want to show, if you want to narrow it down or not. It's totally up to you, but we will use the same way that we have used in the city. Let's discuss agent ID as it is one of the most used ones. Let's say my agent ID is 12345 6 and I only want to show sold listings. I will click here and then I will maybe, as we can show 50 maximum listings, then I will add 50 here and then I will click on insert listing. Now this shortcode, you can copy it and you can place it anywhere on your WordPress website. Maybe on your home page you will copy this code and then you will create a section on the home page by saying sold listings, and then you will add this short code below it and then it will start showing all of your sold listings. Same case with office ID. Let's say you want to show listings, active listings, then you will uh, select office ID, add your office ID, and then you will select the statuses. Maybe your office ID has pending listings or conditional listings, then you will select all these three options, and then again you will select how you want them to look, and then you will add 50 or whatever the number you want, then you will click on insert listings. Same case with this shortcode, you will copy it and you can paste it anywhere on your website. Then it will start showing all your Office ID listings that are currently available. Now let's discuss the third option. It's called IDX search form. We have three layouts. You can display them in vertical and horizontal format. So let's say you have a page where you want to show a search functionality. That's the shortcode that you will use. Uh, let's discuss horizontal format first. We have three options: classic, modern, and simple. So let me show you all of them. So now I'm going to show you how these three layouts will look in a horizontal mode. So that is how these three options will look. This is the first option, classic view, the second option, modern view, and the third and the last option is simple search. That's how it will look. If I click on toggle, that is how it will look. Now I'm going to show you how you can use vertical format. You will click on vertical and then you will choose what option do you want to use. Please note down, in vertical format we do not have simple search. When you click on it, it will just not let you use it because we only have two options in the vertical: classic view and modern view, and that's how they will look. So this is how the classic view will look in the vertical format, and this is how the modern view will look in the vertical format. Now let's discuss the last option, which is IDX registration form. It is only for the pro customers. If you are using the basic version, then you will not see this last for the last option. You will only see these three. By utilizing this form, visitors to your site can register and save their favorite listings. Additionally, you will receive notifications whenever someone registers using this form. We have two registration forms. First is register manually, and the second one is register using social media. So first let's discuss the manual one. If I just click on insert registration form without checking this box and entering anything here, so this is how the manual registration form looks like. Customer need to enter their details manually. Now let's discuss the second option. If I again click on this one, and if I click on insert social login and then click on insert registration form, let me update the page. So this is how the second option will look. Customer do not need to enter the details manually. They can just click on either on Facebook or Google and then they will get registered. Now let's discuss this enter a URL where visitors will be sent once registered. So let's say you have a specific page where you want your customers to redirect when they register using that form. What you will do here is you will just add your URL here. Let's say maybe it's test.com/register. So what it will do is when someone clicks on register, it will automatically redirect them to this test.com/register page. Well, that's all for now. Thank you for watching.